Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how much Tongkat Ali to take per day. Starting with a low dose is crucial to see how your body reacts. Most people find success with a daily intake between 200 and 400 milligrams. Remember, consistency is key, but so is giving your body a break. Cycling your dosage can help maintain its benefits over time. We'll dive into the specifics to help you find your ideal regimen. Several factors influence your optimal Tongkat Ali dosage. Your age, overall health, and individual sensitivity play a significant role. The extract's concentration, like a 1 to 50 or 1 to 200 ratio, also dictates how much you should take. Always prioritize safety. Speaking with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen is highly recommended to ensure it's right for you. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get information, and control your smart home devices. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To maximize benefits and minimize side effects, consider these best practices. Taking Tongkat Ali with food can help prevent any stomach discomfort. Splitting your daily dose into 2 smaller servings, perhaps morning and evening, may improve absorption and maintain steady levels. Most importantly, pay close attention to how your body responds and adjust your dosage accordingly. Listen to your body.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.